These might seem a little bit unusual to you, but we've all been told how important it is to wash your hands. And what we know is that's the number one way to stop the spread of germs. So you've heard sing happy birthday twice. That's one way that you can do it. You could sing happy birthday in a slower way. You could do that as well. Another way to do it is to say the Lord's Prayer. It's a way that you can just be reminded that God is with you always and that you can pray in all times. So Yoon is going to demonstrate for us one way to do this. She's going to wash her hands. She's going to use her first language. So I encourage you, as Yoon does this, to say the Lord's Prayer with her in whatever language that you would like to use.
하늘에 계신 우리 아버지여, 이름이 격용을 받으시오며 나라의 마옵시며 뜻이 하늘에서 이루어진 것 같이 땅에서도 이루어지다. 오늘날 우리에게 일용할 양식을 주옵시고 우리가 우리에게 죄진 죄를 사하여 준 것 같이 우리 죄를 사하여 주옵시고 우리를 시험에 들지 말게 하옵시며 다만 악에서 구하옵소서. 대개 나라와 권세와 영광이 아버지께 영원히 쌓옵나이다. 아멘.